If you would like to create your branch with a stub in, you do have a couple of options that you can employ here. Let's try the first one. Go ahead and select the pipe that you wish to create the stub in with and use your continue pipe routing tool. Go in the direction that you want to do that with and then right click on it. You'll see that you do have a stub in option and you'll see that it begins to stub it in. Now perhaps this is not the right size, so you can go ahead and right click, and then if you click that size right there, you'll see nominal size come up. I'm going to go ahead and switch this to 2 inches. And then when I do that, you'll see that my pipe for my stub in has been changed. So I can go ahead and enter a distance that I want this stub in to be. And I'm good. Now, in the event that I'd like to move this stub in, if you click it, make sure that you use the move part that's in the center, and that will work much better than trying to drag either one of the other ends. Another option that you have when creating a stub in is merely to select the pipe that you want to use for the stub in. Right here you'll see that I have a piece of 2-inch pipe, and then I'm going to go ahead and route pipe, and I'm just going to make sure I'm in the same plane that my line is on. And then I'm going to just go ahead and I am going to route this pipe directly into the existing pipe. Now, to make sure that you hit the mark, if you use your nearest tab, as soon as you get that nearest mark, you'll be able to route that in, enter, and now you've also created a stub in very much in the same way that you have the other one. And of course, moving that stub in is going to function much in the same way as the other one did. Select your stub in, find your grip for moving the part, and then move it to the desired location. And if that happens where you start seeing some graphics disappear, go ahead and switch to a less demanding graphic mode, and it should come back for you.